Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Someone, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to move files inside Google Drive using your Windows PC. First, open drive.google.com in your browser and sign into your Google account. Next, locate the file or files you want to move. Click once to select a single file or hold Ctrl and click multiple files to select several. Then, right-click any selected file and choose Move To, or click the folder icon at the top after selecting files. After that, navigate the folder chooser to find the destination folder. You can expand folders, create a new folder with the new folder button, or search for a folder by name. Next, click Move to confirm. Drive will transfer the files to the chosen folder. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files from the drive list into a folder in the left-hand sidebar for a quick move. Finally, if you use Drive for desktop, open File Explorer, drag files between folders inside the Google Drive section, and they will sync automatically to the cloud. And that's it. Your files are now organized in their new location. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.